In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Discord not opening or showing a fatal error on Windows. We'll start by making sure Discord is fully closed. This is important because if any background process is still running, it can block the fixes later. Press Ctrl, Shift, and ES key together to open Task Manager. In the Processes tab, look for anything related to Discord, including entries labeled Discord, Discord.exe, and Update.exe. Select each one and choose End Task so nothing Discord related is left running. Once everything is closed, you can exit Task Manager. This simple step often clears out stuck sessions that keep Discord from launching properly. Next, we'll remove corrupted cache data, which is the most effective fix for the fatal error. Press the Windows key and R to open the run box, then type %appdata% and press enter. A File Explorer window will open. Find the Discord folder and delete it. Don't worry, this doesn't delete your account or conversations, those live in the cloud. These files are local cache and settings that can become corrupted. Now press Windows and R again, type %localappdata%, press enter, and delete the Discord folder you see there too. Clearing both locations ensures you've removed any damaged cache or leftover installer files that could be causing errors. If Windows says a file is in use, it usually means a Discord process is still running, so return to Task Manager and make sure everything is ended before trying again. With the cache cleared, let's do a clean reinstall. Open Settings, go to Apps, then Installed Apps, find Discord and select Uninstall. When that completes, restart your PC. The restart is key. It releases any locked files and finalizes the uninstall. After your system comes back up, open your browser and download the latest version from discord.com/download. Run the installer you just downloaded and let it complete. When the installation finishes, open Discord. At this point, Discord should launch normally without the fatal error. You've closed all background processes, removed corrupted data from both app data folders, performed a proper uninstall, restarted to clear anything lingering in memory, and installed a fresh up-to-date copy. If you followed along step by step, you now have a clean slate. Log in and you should be good to go. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get Discord running smoothly again.